It's unboxing day. We've been waiting months and months and months for these. Tons of measurements had to be taken, and look at that. Real knockoffs for the Ultimate Eleanor. Those are badass. What are they going to look like? Like this. Stay tuned. They're going to look like, front flare's not on her yet, but they're going to look like that on the front. Look at how tight that is. 17-inch wheel, like a true muscle car should have. Look down in there at that ball joint clearance and stuff. Ball joint, tie rod, everything's super tight. Caliper back clearance. I mean, you know, if we really wanted to blow air in there and cool the top of the caliper, it'd be a little different, but true pin drive knockoffs. Let me get a rear one for you. So that's it. Oh, we'll get tires mounted, and they are awesome. We've been waiting for these for quite some time.